Hey everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV&MC, giving you a closer look at the replacement seat foam from Motoseat. So if you were to ask me what is on my list of highly overlooked parts on any dirt bike, well, one of them is probably going to be a seat foam. Seat foam isn't really something that riders think about all too often, but you have to remember that over time, it does break down, it does soften up, and because it happens so gradually, it's just not really something that we think about too often. Now, one thing that will make your seat foam break down even faster and gain some weight is if you leave your seat on your bike when you wash it. That's why we always recommend when you're washing your dirt bike to remove your seat, because just like just like a sponge, your seat foam will absorb water, which over time it makes it waterlogged, which makes it heavier, and it does cause that foam to break down faster and soften up. So if that's a situation that you find yourself in where you've had your seat foam for a pretty long time, you feel like it's too soft, maybe it's waterlogged, you feel like it's time to get a new replacement on there, well, Motoseat has got you covered. So their foam is a nice high quality foam. Now the firmness of this, they say is a medium to firm. Now I'm gonna say it's a little bit more on the medium side. Now as far as install goes, it's real simple. Take your seat cover off. Once you've done that, take the seat foam off the seat base. Make sure to clean the seat base. Once the foam is off there, you can use contact cleaner. Once you've done that, it's all dry, it's time to put the foam on. Now you wanna make sure that you spray down the seat base as well as the seat foam with an adhesive first. So you do have a few different options. You could get a weather strip adhesive from a hardware store if you want to. One that we've used that we really like is just this 3M Super 77. But in any case, spray down the base, spray down the bottom side of the seat foam, install it, and then once you've done that, just give it time to dry. And once it's dry, all you gotta do is put the seat cover back on there. Now speaking of seat covers, it's never a bad idea if you're getting a new seat foam on there to freshen everything up, get a nice seat cover on as well. We have a lot of different options to choose from at Rocky Mountain. One of my personal favorites is the factory seat cover from Attack Graphics. So this is the one that I personally run on my bikes. What's great about it, great price point, lots of grip, and I like that it has the ribs on here, just a little bit added traction for the rider. And there you go. That is the replacement seat foam coming from Motoseat. If you guys have any questions about this, leave your questions below or your comments. If you have this seat foam, we would love to hear your thoughts on it. That's gonna help other riders out. To pick up yours, it is real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date on the latest product spotlights like you saw today, as well as our how-to videos and our buyer's guides that we have for all the categories. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.